Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Netlify, deploy and manage websites step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type Netlify, comment to the address bar, and press enter. Wait for the Netlify homepage to fully load. Look for the login button at the top right of the page. Click login to go to the sign in page. On the login screen, review the available sign-in methods. Choose the option that matches your account, such as email, GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. If you want to use email, select email and enter your email address. Check your inbox for the Netlify login email. Open the email and click the secure login link inside it. Return to your browser and wait for Netlify to confirm your sign-in. If you prefer GitHub, click Continue with GitHub. Sign in to GitHub if you are not already logged in. Authorize Netlify to access your GitHub account when prompted. If you use GitLab, click Continue with GitLab and complete the same authorization step. If you use Bitbucket, click Continue with Bitbucket and approve the requested permissions. After login, confirm you are on the Netlify dashboard page. Check the top left area to see your team or workspace name. Click Sites to view all websites connected to your account. Click the name of a site to open its site overview. In the site overview, locate the Deploy section to see deployment history. Click Deploy settings to control build and deployment options. Go to Domain settings to connect a custom domain if needed. Open Site configuration to adjust environment variables and build commands. Use the Add New Site button if you want to deploy a new website. Select Import an existing project to connect a Git repository. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose a repository and set build settings. Click Deploy Site and wait until the status shows the deployment is published. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.